Here's a great deal on a 2019 Kia Optima. This four-door, five-passenger sedan still has less than 25,000 miles. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, delay-off headlights, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, and a blind spot monitoring system. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 well-positioned speakers. Kia ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, a security system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, indicating just one previous owner. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. Come on in and take a test drive.